Welcome to the annual Big Bree Workshop Weekend concert. It's our 12th year, unbelievably. And we've had a fantastic weekend, haven't we? Yes, we've had a lot of fun, made lots of new friends, learned lots of things about Manx traditional music, song and dance and customs. This weekend has been themed around a set of stamps from the Isle of Man Post Office and their folk traditions. So we've been exploring music, songs, the folklore and some of the stories connected with the Melia, which is Manx for harvest, Hot Tuné, which is coming up on the 31st of October, Hunt the Wren, which is associated with St Stephen's Day, the eve of Old Christmas Day, New Year's Eve, when the fiddlers would go out, and the Quelltap, which is the Manx version of the first footer on New Year's Day. So, amongst all the songs, music and dance and drama that you'll experience this afternoon, we have connected with all of those folk traditions. So before we get started, just want to say a big thank you to Culture Vannin, who I work for and put on this every year. Big thank you to our wonderful tutors that have given up their time this weekend. Big thank you to all the students. They've worked so hard and been really good, really fun. We've all got on very well, haven't we? And a big thank you also to Ronita, Ronnie and Anita combined, who document the weekend for us every year. And a big thank you also to the Youth Arts Centre.